Alright guys, let's go ahead and get this out of the box here. Really excited for this tablet. I actually reviewed the Sero 7 and the Sero 7 Pro last year. Pretty good tablets for the price. So let's go ahead and get this open here. Now before I open it, let me go ahead and show you guys some of the specs here. We have a 1.4 gigahertz quad-core processor. Resolution is 1280 by 800 HD IPS, 8 inches display. We have a 2 megapixel rear camera, 0.3 megapixel front-facing camera. This is a Wi-Fi tablet. They don't offer this in 4G. You get a micro USB port, 3.5mm headset jack. You get Android 4.4 KitKat. That's actually pretty good. 1 gig of RAM. Micro SD card up to 32 GB. Bluetooth 3.0. Battery life estimated at 7 hours. So those are the main specs. Let's go ahead and take a look here at the tablet. Of course, you're gonna get your instructions and warranty and all that. So here's a look at the tablet. Actually, this is the first time for me looking at this tablet in person, because the tablet that they have at Walmart is just a display, and they have it inside of this thing, so you cannot even move it or touch or anything. So on the back we have some type of pattern, Hisense and name or branding on the back with the rear camera. As you guys can see, no flash for the rear camera. We get a nice size speaker grill right here on the back at the bottom of the tablet. On this side of the tablet, on the right side, we got a volume rocker button right there. On the other side, we don't have anything. On top of the tablet, we have the micro SD card slot, micro USB port. Looks like that will be a microphone. That right there is a 3.5mm audio jack and the power button. And then on the bottom of the tablet, we don't have anything. As far as the tablet, it looks pretty thin, really nice look. So why don't we go ahead and turn this on, set it up, and then start the full review. Before that, I just want to show you guys quick here what we have in the box. So it looks like you're getting right here the instructions, warranty, certification, blah blah blah, all that. You get right here the USB cable, and of course the connector for the charger. So with that, guys, let's go ahead and set this up and start the full review. Alright guys, let's first take a look at the interface that we have here. So we can swipe down here on this corner to access to the quick settings of the tablet. And right here is the main settings. We can also swipe down from the other corner to get access to the notifications. Now, as far as the screens, it comes with 5 screens. This is the main screen where the clock is. We get 2 screens to the left and 2 screens to the right. Here's the access to the app drawer. We have apps and we have widgets. Here's also a quick access. It gives you a quick access right here to the Play Store. If you click right there, it's going to take you to the Play Store. So that's as far as the interface and the access to the app drawer. Why don't we go ahead now and take a look at the quadrant scores and Antutu score to give you guys an idea of the performance of this tablet. What's the weather like?
75 degrees and mostly cloudy in Bellevue.
Let me go ahead and turn this up, guys, so we can also test the speakers. What's the population of United States?
The population of United States of America was 313.9 million in 2012.
What's the population of Brazil?
The population of Brazil was 198.7 million in 2012.
What's the population of China?
The population of China was 1.351 billion in 2012.
All right, let's see. What's the distance between Chicago and Miami?
The drive from Chicago to Miami is 1,376.0 miles.
All right, guys, let's take a look here at maps and do some navigation. And this is a first look here at maps. Of course, you can change this to the satellite mode right here. And let's do some zoom in and zoom out here. As you guys can see, the satellite, the map looks super cool. You get to see the buildings and everything in kind of like a 3D effect. So let's see if we can do some navigation here. Let's search for something. Let's say navigate to New York. And that will be a long drive from where I am right now. 19 hours. So as you guys can see, it displayed the address here. So that's as far as the map and navigation, guys. Now, one of the cool software that comes with this tablet is this Kingsoft Office. And basically with these, you can edit, create, or view some Office documents. It's not quite Microsoft Office, but it works. Here's just to give you guys an idea with Excel. That's how it looks like if you want to create an Excel document. Here's Word. So that's as far as Kingsoft Office. The tablet also comes with a drive, which it's gonna let you to store your files in Google Drive if you create an account right here. And here's the score for the benchmark test. The score is 4,748 points. 4,748 points. Let's go ahead and take a look at Antutu scores now. The tablet also comes with the Flipboard application. Let's see if we can take a look at what we have here. You can select different categories here. Let's see if we can open something here. We get news, technology, and Flipboard picks selected. We click next. So basically, you're gonna have to sign up or create an account using either Facebook or Google Plus. I'm not gonna do that right now, but there is a Flipboard application installed. So let's see if we can play a high graphic games and see if the tablet can handle it. I have the game here, Nova 3, with the high graphics. So let's test the performance of the tablet. Another interesting app that comes with the tablet, and I wasn't expecting this, is the TV remote. This tablet doesn't have the IR blaster. So basically the way this application works is basically by connecting both the tablet and your TV to the same Wi-Fi network. So in other words, if you have a TV with built-in Wi-Fi, you're gonna be able to use this app. You're gonna be able to control your TV with the tablet. But if you have a regular TV, you won't be able to use this app. Now with the IR blaster, you don't need Wi-Fi. Of course, it's an application that comes with the tablet. It will be somewhere right here, so you can control any TV with that, or even your cable box. But it's cool to have this option in case you have one of the new TVs with the Wi-Fi. You're gonna be able to control it with the tablet. Now, if you want to close the applications that you have opened to save battery, just click right here on the Task Manager and swipe to the left in order to close all the different applications. Another cool thing that they offer here is the 08 help. Basically, this is pretty much like if you're looking at the instructions, but instead of looking at them on paper, you're looking at them here on the tablet. So when you access that application, this is going to open a PDF file with all the different instructions and information of the tablet. As you guys can see, it's divided in different categories. So if you are confused or you don't know how to use something, you can refer to this PDF file here. So that's actually pretty cool. Another cool feature that this tablet offers is the screenshot. It's going to allow you to take a screenshot from any screen, any application, whatever you're looking on the screen, you can take a screenshot. Here's the application inside of the settings. And when you access here, you can basically adjust or select here the delay time to capture the screen. You can also set the location of the screenshot storage. So that's in case you want to store the pictures on the tablet or on an external SD card. And you can select this right here, checked it to show the screenshot button in the status bar, which I already checked. So if we go back to the main screen, as you guys can see here at the bottom, there is a camera icon. Basically, if you press there, you can take a screenshot. So let's say I want to open here Google Chrome. I'm taking a look here at some page, the news, whatever, I want to share that with somebody. I can go ahead and take a screenshot. So once the page is loaded, let's see if we can do it. Looks like it's ready right now. Let's go ahead and take a screenshot here. And there you have it. So we can access this picture right here. And then basically from this point you get the share option right here. You can share this via Bluetooth, Picasa photos. You can see all. You have Google Plus, Hangouts, email, Gmail, the Drive, Facebook, Twitter, Flipboard. So basically you can share the screenshots